In this video, you'll learn how to check your site speed on Bluehost and understand what the results actually mean. By the end, you'll not only know how to run a speed test, but you'll also have a clear idea of what to look for and how to interpret the numbers you see. Let's start right at the beginning inside your Bluehost account. First, sign into your Bluehost account manager the way you normally do. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options. Find and click on the option labeled Websites. This is where Bluehost lists all the sites connected to your account. After you click on the Websites tab, you should see a list of your domains or sites. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to test. If you have multiple sites, double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you're troubleshooting a particular project or page. Click on that site to open its management area. Within your site's management view, look for a tab or section labeled either Speed or Performance. Bluehost may use one of those names depending on your interface, but they refer to the same general area. Go ahead and click on that Speed or Performance tab. This is where Bluehost brings together tools and information about how quickly your site loads for visitors. Now you're ready to actually run the test. On this page, look for a button or link that says Run Speed Test. Click on that and Bluehost will start analyzing your site's loading performance. This can take a short moment, so give it a bit of time to complete. While it runs, it's basically measuring how fast your content appears and how stable your layout feels for a typical user. Once the test is finished, you'll see a set of results. Two of the most important metrics you'll notice are LCP and CLS. Understanding these will really help you make sense of your site's performance. LCP stands for Largest Contentful Paint. In simple terms, this measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load and become visible. Think of the largest key element on your page, like a hero image, a big heading, or a prominent block of text. LCP tracks how quickly that main piece shows up for visitors. As a general guideline, you want your LCP to be under 2.5 seconds. If it's higher than that, users may feel like your page is slow, even if other parts load later. A faster LCP usually leads to a better user experience and can even help with search engine rankings. The second metric, CLS, stands for Cumulative Layout Shift. This focuses on visual stability rather than raw speed. It measures how much the layout of your page moves around as it loads. For example, if text or buttons jump up and down while images load, that's layout shift. With CLS, the closer the value is to zero, the better. You want as little unexpected movement as possible, so elements don't jump around while visitors are trying to read or click. After you've reviewed your LCP and CLS, you can use those numbers as a baseline. Run the test again after any major design or plugin changes to see if things improve or get worse. Over time, tracking these results will help you keep your Bluehost site both fast and visually stable for your visitors.